All right, can versus be able to. And today we're talking about ability. So we can use both can and be able to talk about ability. So if we're talking about simple tenses, that means like present simple or past simple, we can use actually both. So for example, I can speak 3 languages, or I'm able to speak 3 languages. These two sentences have the exact same meaning, but if we use I'm able to, it's more formal. So when would I use this? Probably in a job interview. I would say I'm able to speak 3 languages instead of saying I can speak 3 languages. However, in day-to-day speaking, can is better. It's a little bit easier, and yeah, we don't want to be too formal when we're speaking with our friends. All right, but moving on, why do we have be able to if both have the same meaning? Well, good question. Like the perfect tenses or with modal verbs. So let's have a look at present perfect here. So for example, I've been able to visit 5 countries this year. Maybe I've had more free time, so I have had the ability to visit 5 countries this year. Of course, we can't say I can visit 5 countries this year. Have and can. We can't use 2 modal verbs together, actually, or 2 auxiliary verbs together in this case. Okay? So with modal verbs, like should and have to, maybe someone invites me to a party. Ooh, I'm really busy recently, but I should be able to go to the party. So just like here, I can't say I can go to the party. We can't mix those 2 together, all right? Or if I want to go scuba diving, you have to be able to swim if you want to go scuba diving, right? We can't, yeah, of course you can't go scuba diving if you can't swim, right? It'd be pretty dangerous. I don't recommend doing that. So this is a pretty simple, easy, quick rundown about the difference between can and be able to. Of course, it's a lot more complicated than this, and in the future videos, we'll probably be able to show you what the difference is between those 2 on a more deeper level. So thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, hit like, comment below, ask a question. We'll help you. Thanks for watching.